On today's episode,
Downpipes are in, exhaust is in, so if you look over here, the X makes it sound good.
Bro, I can't wait to hear it.
I don't think we should start it right now. I'm gonna get yelled at by David. He's gonna
Bro, we've only had the cops here 4 times.
I know, but I don't want to be here in the morning. He's like, why the cops come? It's all your fault. Nah, I'm just gonna keep getting back to laboring, Mexican car laboring right now.
gently and lovingly used set of Cup 2s for testing purposes on the 488, because the ones that are on the back of the 488 right now are 7 ways to Sunday.
I don't think they're ready for that.
They're ready.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
It's bad.
These are lovingly used. See how there's no cording?
Let me see. Dang.
Stop it. Get some help.
So this is the original tire, and this is the tire that he's getting now. I mean, it's still an
he's not
upgrade.
getting. This is my tire. This is for testing purposes only, and these will promptly be coming off because these are mine, right?
Wait, so he's gonna get a faster car with a better tune, but these tires?
What he does with his tires are his business.
This video is brought to you by Stage 4 Tuning. Stop babying your car and wake it the f*** up. Tune it, drive it, and show your friends what real power looks like.
Since these are my tires, I don't feel guilty about burning them whatsoever. So we're gonna have a little fun. These have been lovingly used and cared for by yours truly. This is what a proper alignment looks like. You see, the majority of the wear is in the middle of the contact patch. This is what jackassery looks like. You will also notice that these tires are quite dry rotted. Drier than Carlos's DMs.
Oh, shit.
Definitely not dry.
Oh my God. OMG.
He said OMG.
Doesn't look like I'm about to get any help. One of these pedals is the right one to push. Damn! That's that fancy son of a bitch right there. Okay, Mike, walk this way. So, what we don't tell him is we've appeased to his sense of purpose, given him a task, he's going to accomplish it, it's going to be done. It's going to involve me doing actually 0 work. So, I got my hands prematurely dirty by touching the tire. It looks like I've tried. Now, we've handed off the task to the professionals. I push buttons, drive car, talk. Everybody has their place. So,
It's like the simplest thing.
it is. You know what you're doing.
Step 1, a lot of lube. Lube is the key for everything in this world.
That's why I'm here.
Yeah, boy. So I'm gonna put these liners back in. The ECU's locked. We're gonna wash the car, and then Mike's gonna do his thing.
You gonna start it up?
Yeah, let's see.
Let's see how it sounds. Yo, it sounds pretty good.
This sounds way better than stock. Way better than stock.
The next day.
I love how the paint looks in the daytime. Looks so good.
Just wait till I wash it.
Oh, bro, it's gonna look spotless or what? You're on the spot now.
I don't know about that.
Let's go. Let's see it. Let's show them with a montage.
I bet. Couple things that you need to know about a 488. Should you have one? Should you be considering one? First generation of Ferrari's 3.9 liter turbo motor, F154. So they like to explode their turbochargers. In some cases stock and when they're tuned. So a lot of people will shy away from tuning them. I, for a long time, shied away from tuning them, but we've got a very nice stage that makes power, it's consistent, and it doesn't break the fucking car. We're gonna keep the turbos in one piece. That's step one. Now, step two, and the more fun one, other than not breaking the car, is going to be making it sound like a Ferrari should. all the turbo cars from 488, especially F8, SF90, everything that's come after 458 has sounded very muted like a vacuum cleaner. Turbos take a lot of the exhaust noise, the soul that everybody has always said that, you know, Ferrari is known for, and it sucks it up and makes it very not fun. So by fitting the right parts, we're going to bring that soul back. This car is a spider. Like God intended, the top has been taken off. So we can hear that new exhaust and the not blown up turbochargers all that much more clearly. If you are considering one of these cars, I would highly recommend take your top off. You will not regret it. Without any further ado, let's have a listen for one of the God's best sounding twin turbo V8s. Now it's been fully uncorked. Upshift farts. What more could you want? It is an RS5. It's a V9. Chassis decent, powertrain's decent. It's a very good car. Left foot brake, right foot gas, builds boost. Ooh.
Yeah, this thing's quick.
Yeah.
Wow.
For a little 2.96. Like, it boogies. If you don't live in California, then you get to benefit from not terrible 91 octane fuel and make 550 plus horsepower. And it's basically like the V8 in the RS6, RS7 with 2 cylinders cut off. Very similar configuration, hot V, small turbos in the valley. This is 2.9 liters, 6 cylinders. Obviously the RS6, RS7 is 4 liters, V8. So it's like, you know, they just cut 2 off. The car is very slow and wet and boring stock. We have made it not slow, not wet, and markedly less boring. It sounds better. The exhaust flaps are now completely open when you're in sport mode, dynamic, RS, whatever. We've opened the park neutral limiter, so we've got some more snap, crackle, and pop that is clearly evident through there. Rice Krispies going along back there. Exhaust flaps are open, but if we take it out of RS mode and we go into auto or comfort, there we go. Hear the exhaust valves closed?
Yeah, completely closed.
And so if we throw it in neutral, you can only hear the Ford EcoBoost going by on the street and not actually hear the car that you're driving. So we throw it back into drive, or in sport, it will always open the flaps.
We made our own.
You made your own? You added 961 to it?
It's a little dirty, but yeah, it works.
Look how much better it looks.
It looks way better. So this lip comes in a box that's probably like this small.
Now, what's the durability on something like that?
If it came bent, then that thing will never break. You can bend it all the way, look.
That's crazy.
All BMWs take notes. You never lose a lip. The more you learn every day.
I never learn anything from you. But today that changes.
Thank God.
Yo, put this in the car.
I said less talking, more working.
So you guys just went out for a drive. What did you think?
I'm loving it. This is great, bro.
What would you compare it to stock?
Honestly, complete night and day.
Yeah?
Completely night and day, bro. The feeling of it is way more responsive. I can feel that as soon as I touch the throttle. I'm out. I'm loving it.
You heard it from the customer himself. Bring it over. Stage 4 Tuning will take care of you.